I'm working on this 2012 Chevy Silverado. The guy wants me to put, the guy brought these patch panels over and he wants me to put them in, and which I've done a lot of. And then he wants me to put the inner fenders in there too. I've never done that before. Well, you can see I held up the patch panel and I made a mark where I'm going to cut it a little bit below that, maybe an inch or two below the line here, and then cut all that out and then put in the patch panel. Well, there's where your inner fender is going to go. Well, here is the I cut this side out already. So you can see the guy's got to get new stickers for the side, but I'm thinking these are really fastened on really good, these inner fenders here, and I'm thinking that maybe, being they're not rusty under here, maybe I'll just cut them out right here. See where this is? Maybe I'll just cut these out and then just put this centerpiece in instead of the whole thing, because like I say, that getting those out of there, that might be a big job, and you'd wreck these panels probably trying to get these spot welds drilled out. Whereas if you took them off right here, you'd still have to cut these spot welds here out, but I think it would be a way better job, because when you weld that, you're gonna burn the paint off in here too, because that's where your spot welds are gonna go. So then you end up repainting a lot of this stuff, and oh man, and so I'm going to blow all this dirt out of here and see what's under here. I don't know. I'll decide when I get to that point what to do, but I'll start up my video again. And you gotta excuse the wind noise. The wind's starting to really howl right now. But anyway, that thing's pretty rusty for a 2012, though. But jeepers, I don't know. Well, this thing's about ready to paint. I had some plastic around here, and I thought I could maybe want to use it up. It's some stuff they come from a bumper cover, and use that for covering these big tires in the back. But yeah, I use plastic to cover the cab. I don't get overspray all over it, and just put paper here between the box and the cab here, of course. But yeah, it's like I say, it's about ready to paint, and yeah, I tried to mix a bunch of different colors of sealer together to try to get kind of close to that brown, and it kind of turned out kind of reddish pink color. But yeah, it'll be all right. I got to put a piece of paper in there too. You can see that I painted that separate on the bottom. I painted that yesterday, that strip there. That way I could cover everything up. But anyway, that's what's going on. So, but yeah, it'll be all right, I think.